Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about wall join in Revit. So in the properties you can see here wall join display. So by default in Revit we have lots of options. So in property you need to check wall join display where it is set. So you have two options. Here it is showing clean all wall joints and one more clean same wall types wall joints. So we need to understand these and we have to understand a little more also. I'm going to be showing you one by one. Let's see. For example, wall joint display, in case if it is set to clean all wall joints, then what happens? All the wall, here you can see all the wall, even though the type is different but the wall is joint, but we are seeing a small line here. In case if I change this thing to a clean same type of wall joint, then we are seeing a thick line here. So that's a difference. So what am I going to do? Let's take wall and draw a rectangle. Okay, it's the same type of wall. So here you can see it's the same type of wall. So when I draw wall, here you can see all the options. In the last you can see join status. If it is allow, it is going to join automatically. In case if it is not allowed, in case if it is selected as disallow, and if I draw a wall, and you can see this is not joint. So these are joint and these are not joint. So I'm going to keep this as allow and I'm going to draw again. You can see clean wall join you are getting. In case if I select any wall and if I change the type, and you can see, so this wall is separate and this wall type is separate. Here it is selected as wall joint display, clean same type of wall joints. In case if I give it to clean all wall joint, then the wall is joint but still I can see a small line. It's not a thick line, so but I can see a thin line. In case if you want to disallow join for the same type, then you have to select the wall. In the end, if you are right clicking, you can get an option saying disallow join and click outside, and you can see this wall is not joint now. So you can extend till here. So this is how you can extend. I'm going to show again. If you don't want to join the wall, then you can select manually, select right click and say disallow join, click outside, then the join, now it is gone and you can keep it as where you want. And we have another option also. In case if you want wall join, but in the wall join we have different types. I'm going to show you how it is. To explain that, I'm going to take a different type of wall. Let's select and go here. Let's take some wall with some layers. Okay, and keep it as fine mode. And here you can see, so this is your wall join. So in case if you want to change the joining type, then what you can do, go to modify, and here you can see this is for beam column join. Below that we have another icon that's for wall join. So here you can see some 5 types of join it is showing. So I'm going to show you how it works. Select the wall join and here you can see a rectangular box, so that can identify the wall joint. Okay, here you can see, so this is identifying the joint. In case if you are selecting any of the joint, so here you are getting an option: configuration, butt joint, meter joint, square off, display settings, clean joint, don't clean joint, allow joint, disallow joint, you are getting. So each option, so you will get a different type of wall joint. Select and allow joint, so this is allowing, but this is not reaching till here. So what you have to do, select the wall and reach it till the edge, select the wall and reach till the edge. So in case if you are seeing a small T, so that means this wall is not joined, so it is disallow joint. If you click here, then it will join again. Select and keep it to the edge. To keep it to the right edge, go to trim, extend single, select the edge, select the wall, select the edge, select the wall. Now you are getting a clean joint. Let's say the same tool again, go to wall joint, select and select any joining location. If you select, and you can choose a butt joint. Now this is butt joint. If you select a meter joint, then so there is another line in the edge. In case if I give square off, then I'm getting this option. If I give butt joint, it's the same. How to display clean joint, don't clean joint. Wow, so this is how it looks. Use view settings, then it is going to read from here property. Okay, so in case if you are having a wall, so let's say this edge you are having it kind of this way. So now if I go here, you can see the wall joint how it goes. For this location, if I select wall joint and I'm going to select this corner, and you can see if I give butt joint, this is joining like this way. In case if I give meter joint, it is changing. If I give square off, you can see how it is getting squared. If I give next, you can see different options. Clean joint, don't clean joint, view settings. So that's all. So that is how you can use wall join option. So for wall join, whenever you draw a wall, and here you have to select joining status. You can allow join or disallow join. So once you draw on the wall, if you don't want the wall to join, then you can select the point, right click, and you can give disallow join. If you want a different type of join, then go to modify, and here take wall join, select the point, and actually it has to intersect each other, then only that option will work. So here you have to give allow join for both the wall. So once you give disallow join, then you have to make it as allow join. So again you can right click and you can allow join. Otherwise you can select the wall, the small T option you can see, you can click the T, it will allow join. So in the view properties, again we have an option for wall join display. So now you can see wall join display, it is getting faded. So that time you have to go for modify and then take wall join and then modify your join. Go to next. You can see the changes here. You can allow join, you can disallow join. So that's all about wall join. So here one more I wanted to show. Here you can see, so this wall it is thick and this wall it is not thick. So here let's see what's happening. Actually my cut plane is cutting here, so this wall is showing the surface in the top and this wall it is getting cut. That's why I'm getting thick line for the cut wall and thin line for the surface wall. So that's all for the day. Thanks for watching. In case if you have any doubt, please give a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.